Nope.
I was
Yeah.
going to do another canter back.
Okay, yeah. Put your legs in a right position. I mean left position. I'm dyslexic. Your outside leg is back. Your inside leg's at the girth. Both legs are on him. And when he settles, you look up and you canter, and you don't mind how long it takes.
Giving him this much rein is scary to me a little bit.
He loves it
He does love it.
because he can be in charge of his balance. He uses his head and neck for balance. Okay, canter depart. Wrong lead. So sit back, so break them down, and canter again. Throw the reins at him and canter. Got it. Now think outside the circle to make it bigger. Make the circle, yeah, and back to halt.
So she's just leaning outside to make the circle bigger.
Yeah.
I feel like my toes are, I don't know.
Well,